Welcome back this afternoon. Angie Horkin from the Wisconsin Beef Council is here, and it's February, and we've got another tasty recipe to really enjoy this month.
Yeah, so February's Heart Month. And January's gone already, isn't that crazy?
We flipped the calendar, right?
I know, so it's just flying by. So I picked recipes this month to talk about that are certified by the American Heart Association. We have a whole recipe collection of kind of heart-healthy recipes, incorporating lean cuts of beef, whole grains, a lot of vegetables, even fruits, because we got some fruits in our recipes. But yeah, kind of a great time to talk about that since it is Heart Month.
Well, and I like how you can focus on healthy, but you can still have it taste good, right?
Exactly, exactly. So this first recipe we're going to do is beef and kale bolognese.
Yum.
So kind of, you know, that traditional tomato sauce bolognese with lean ground beef, but we veggied it up. So I started with lean ground beef. Now, if you choose a 93% lean or leaner, it's kind of qualified lean. It's approved by the American Heart Association for the heart check. So I started with that and put in some garlic, some onion, sauteed that
delicious.
up. Now I have in here some celery, a cup of little diced celery, and then some carrots, a cup of carrots, 2 cups of kale.
Okay.
So I put that in here, and then your tomato sauce, and I bought the low salt, and you could get like the no salt added tomato sauce, some crushed red pepper for a little zing, a little regular salt, a little bit of kosher salt, and a regular black pepper, and that's kind of it. Kind of simmer it up. It doesn't take long.
I was going to say, it's pretty simple.
Yeah, you can simmer it longer because like a real bolognese, you kind of simmer for a while to develop those flavors, but this is a 45-minute bolognese. Okay. Then I've just got some pepperodelli pasta, whatever kind of pasta you like. Hey, go for the whole wheat pasta too.
There you go.
So to kind of stick with that heart-healthy theme.
Maybe we're keeping those New Year's resolutions going. I know I am so far, so
okay,
yes.
I'm not going to comment.
I'm on a 75-day program right now.
You are awesome.
So, yeah.
You are
I'm trying, Angie. I'm trying.
So good, so good. So, well, I'm fitting into your 75-day
Yes, you are.
program.
You are.
So there we go. And then top with the little fresh shredded Parmesan, of course, because it's Wisconsin. And some fresh basil.
Ooh,
look at that.
Very decadent.
So that is our beef and kale bolognese in our American Heart Association certified recipe collection on beeftips.com. So if you go to the website this month, I've got links to the recipes we're going to feature. I've got links to that whole collection. I've got links to our nutrition page, our protein information page. All of that good stuff is right there under As Seen on TV on beeftips.com.
All right, Angie Horkin, happy Heart Month.
Yeah.
And tasty, too. We love that. Thank you.